I was ready for 3, 5, 6. Right now, I figured it. I said the same thing. Good? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Yeah. I wanted to do that so bad. And we last. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Gotcha. Yes, I think we do. Let's execute. Yes. I'm there. I was like, it's so like, Yeah. Why not? Nope. Come on, just stop. You were ready.
I was thinking just do the hard one. Are you sure? Okay.
Oh, no, it's somebody.
Woo!
I got used to the hand being short though. Yeah. You can take a little look at this. That's fine. Your Paul. That just doesn't get that. Yeah, you just gotta bend all the way over to get that. We're at 6s, right? Too tall. Are you serious? I mean, you were in a position of major type, so I would play that one.
Are you guys in B?
Yes,
sir. You want to play or no?
Yeah, sure. We'll play down here or down?
Doesn't matter. A lot of balls come through there, but
That's true. We'll play here?
sure.
Try to wreck that camera.
You don't care.
take it.
Oh. Rock. Rock. I'm just not ready. Yeah, Craigie. Great start. How do you guys know each other? Now he's from high school. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Yeah. I went to Chef. Just too far. Yeah, I'm fine with that shot. Do it, but it was... No. It's not hard to play. 13-12, seconds. Get excited, people.
Totally fell for that.
It works. What a help. What a help.
I mean, you don't have enough power. Yeah. It's not like that. That was all my fault. Hold on.